we want to convert this recurrent decimal 0.61, okay, to a fraction. Remember, it doesn't say to the simplest form, just it's a fraction. Okay, so that's it. So again, just how you begin it, you might just like say you want to say let x, y, any letter you want to use. I'll use y, be 0.61111, okay, because the 1 is the digit that's recurring. Now because there's only one number recurring here, which is the 1, I'm going to multiply this by 10 and write also by 10. So I'm going to multiply here by 10, so that's going to give you 10y, and also multiply this by 10, so this would be 6.11111, okay, recurring. And of course I'm going to like subtract, okay. Alright, so 10y minus, okay, 10y minus 1y definitely is 9y, and 6.111 take away 0.611, okay, because you're subtracting, there's gonna be like 5.5, okay. Now of course again I'm gonna like divide this through by y, or by 9, so y would be 5.5 over 9. Now this doesn't look so good in the eye as a fraction, so you don't have a numerator that has a decimal number at the top. Okay, so what you want to do is to multiply the top by 10 to make it the whole number, and the bottom by also the 10 to make it the whole number. And so this is going to simplify to 55 divided by 90. And I think this is just it. Now again, remember, this doesn't say that you should simplify, it just says leave it as a fraction. So whatever it is, it doesn't matter what you leave it to, simplified or just the fraction here. This answer is gonna go for a full mark. Again, thank you so much.